Hi there, it's Clive here again, and I'm back once again, and this time we are back, a long time since I've done this, with a meal replacement product. Lots of my subscribers will know that I've done a lot of reviews of meal replacement products. I use them quite a lot. I virtually 3 days a week is my lunch, is Jake vitamin bar, just because it's easy. I'm always grabbing a Huel at Sainsbury's now and then because I'm lazy and can't be bothered to make it up myself. But anyway, I was reached out to by a team called Team V24.com, teamv24.com, and they make this, the V24 Vegan Bar. And it's basically meant to be a delicious light meal on the go. And they say on their website, ideal in a rush on the morning commute, for a quick lunch or a quick meal in the evening. And I do find meal replacement bars really, really handy. I recently run out of my supply of my Jake bars that I normally have. These ones, I have the cocoa ones. And 3 days a week when I'm in the office in London, I grab those and that's my lunch sorted. Coffee in the morning, vitamin bar at lunch, coffee in the afternoon, and I'm good all day, and that is absolutely great. And I recently run out and I find myself, I'm having to go to Itsu or local kind of sandwich shop, and I'm spending £5 some food for lunch, as opposed to about £2, £3 on a bar. Anyway, lots of these companies do the bar. This company, teamv24.com, they just do these bars here, and they do a drinking bottle as well, an eco drinking bottle. At the moment, that's all they do. They come in 2 flavours, the cocoa, whatever takes your fancy, and the cocoa and banana. So there we go. And they minimum pack is a pack of 15. I've got a pack of 15 here. Right, 72 gram bar, and within that 72 gram bar, you basically, this is meant to, it's quite small and petite, but in this V24 vegan bar, totally vegan, so if you're a vegan, this is ideal for you. But it has all your sort of essential minerals and vitamins for the day. Well, 30% of your sort of recommended intake of minerals and vitamins for the day, i.e. a light lunch or a breakfast. So the idea is you grab and go in this, and you know that basically as far as sort of nutritional values that you require, either at a breakfast or in a light meal, let's say lunch, whatever, the idea is that you're sorted. It's high in plant protein, 22 essential vitamins and minerals. I do notice that some of the other meal replacement products have 26 essential vitamins and minerals. Only 3 grams in sugar, high in fibre, soy-free, and of course, as the label says, vegan. This is a 72 gram bar, and I noticed, so the Jake bar that I normally have, I think is about 85 grams. So there's not much in it, but basically the idea is all your essential vitamins and minerals packed into this handy bar. But the thing is what does it taste like? So this is the cocoa one. I was looking for the flavouring. I can't see any banana ones. Okay, so we're just doing the cocoa one, okay? Just the cocoa one today. We'll just run through the list they say on the website. You can check out the website there. But basically, no animal products used. Obviously, it's vegan. Cruelty-free. Not using any animals or anything. Who are you being cruel to? It's dairy, gluten, lactose, and GMO foods free. 100% natural, so delicious flavours that are 100% natural, low in sugar and salt, high in plant protein and fibre. The protein comes in the form of peas, rice and oats and flax seeds, very similar to some of the other products that I've seen and tested. Get their sort of pea protein, which is a big popular thing with meal replacement products, and then the oats and giving you sort of fibre and flax seeds, etc. And a range of amino acids. Has slow release energy in it, so low GI carbohydrates. So it means that your energy levels, you don't peak with the sugar and stuff. It's meant to sustain over a period of time. Palm oil and soy free. So the orangutans can rest easy tonight. It's palm oil free, which is good to see. Palm oil is still used in a lot of food products. So it's good that this has no palm oil in it. And as I said, 22 essential vitamins and minerals, providing 30% of the recommended daily intake. So if you're lazy like me, but you want to make sure that you're getting all your necessary sort of vitamins and minerals when you grab a meal and go, These bars are perfect. And it's also essential fatty acids, so your omegas 3 and 6, which is very good to see. And they have a shelf life of 12 months, which is good, because if you buy a big box like I do, I don't always go through them. They're going to last you 12 months, which is good. Nothing goes to waste. And just in terms of calories, because I know people like to ask, 249 calories in this, which is about on par. The other ones got here, this is 332 calories in this. So slightly less in this. Also, I'm just looking at the ingredients before we taste it. One of the things that here. So the ingredients is a protein blend, pea protein, brown rice protein, soluble corn fiber, no added sugar, chocolate, which is cocoa mass, and the sweetener is my favourite sweetener here, xylitol, cocoa butter, emulsifier, sunflower, vegetable glycerine, milled flaxseed powder, banana pieces if you've got the banana one, gluten-free rolled oats, cocoa powder and natural flavouring, and a Protein Revolution vitamin and mineral blend. So that's basically their mineral and protein blend as well. Anyway, as I say, enough of the guff. Let's give it a taste. I like its handy size, because the other one I find a bit big actually. I've got my cup of tea at the ready, because experience has taught me that these can be quite dense. So interesting to see what this is like. Yeah, it looks, I'll tell you what it looks like. It looks very much like, you can see that there. You can see some of the sort of oats in there. And it's compacted pretty well, as you can see. Hope you can see that there. It looks very similar to the Huel bar one, but obviously on a smaller scale. A bit similar to the shake bar as well. But basically they take the all the sort of stuff you have in your shake and stuff and compact it down. I just break it. Yeah. So it's pretty dense stuff. But let's see what it tastes like. This is the cocoa, cocoa. Wow, yeah. It smells like Bourneville. When I used to make Bourneville hot chocolate when I was a little boy, that cocoa with a cocoa powder. Yeah, cocoa powder. Oh. Yeah. I just noticed at the bottom of the ingredients, and I just tasted it then, pink Himalayan sea salt. And it really brings out cocoa flavour. I'm going to say cocoa. The cocoa flavour really brings it out. Quite dense, as I say, but I love that. Yeah, it's like having I don't know if when you have chocolate with a pinch of salt, it really brings out the chocolate flavour. You've got that in here. That Himalayan salt, a little pinch of pink Himalayan salt, is really bringing out the flavour. It's not too sickly sweet. I don't know what the banana is like. I'd like to try the banana one. This is nice. I think that addition, as I say, I don't want to repeat myself, but the addition of that salt is nice. Definitely have with drink though. Anyway, there you go. Let's have a quick look at the price. I'm liking that. I can grab and go that in the morning. Okay, so price-wise, we're looking at, you get a pack of 15, which is the big pack I got here. Pack of 15, it's £41.25, which works out about £2.75 for every bar, which is on a par with the other ones that I've tested out as well, so that's not too bad. And I say £2.75, I'm spending over £5 on my meals when I haven't got sort of a bar with me or a meal replacement drink or anything. I'm going to the local sandwich shop or Itsu, the Japanese shop, and getting chicken noodles, whatever, and then some rice cakes, and it's costing me £5. So from a savings point of view, these bars are great. They're convenient, they're great. I always find personally, taste wise, as I say, I like the slightly enhanced cocoa flavour in this because of the salt content. Anyway, we're talking about price. 15 pack, £41.25 works out £2.75. Or if you're feeling bold, a 45 pack works out about £2.25. So that's your lunch, £2.25. That's not bad. And as I say, with a 12 months shelf life, if you're the sort of person that likes to bulk buy, then maybe that's an option for you. All I want to say, it's on a par, taste-wise, are probably a little bit better than the other bars that I've tasted. The Huel bar and the Jake cocoa bar that I've had before, probably a little bit better than that, and certainly better than some of the other ones which aren't of that sort of cocoa flavour. But generally, other than that, it's very, very similar, and I'm certainly going to be taking these to work for lunch on a regular basis from now on, and it makes a change from the other bars that I normally have. So there you go. If you've got any questions, then put them in the comments. I'll try to respond. It's from Team V24.com, Team V24.com, the V24 Vegan Bar. High in protein, 22 essential vitamins and minerals, only 3 grams of sugar, high in fiber, and soy free. If you think that's useful to your diet, then there you go. As I say, they kindly sent me this, but I thought I'd be honest. I'm just giving my honest opinion about it. Give it a go. If you're interested, use the website that I will put down below there. Otherwise, I hope you found that useful. If you like this video, then please hit like. If you're not subscribed, then hey, do me a favor, subscribe. That'd be great. And look out for other meal replacement products coming hopefully very soon. Until then, goodbye.